Step 1. Select a profitable niche. Step 2. Find high-converting affiliate products. Step 3. Create a Pinterest account. Step 4. Create your optimized pins. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an income stream which could generate thousands of dollars every month passively. The best part, you don't need any experience or money to set this up. All you'll require is Wi-Fi and a laptop or phone. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and knowledge to start earning those commissions. If this sounds good, leave a comment below letting me know why you want to start making passive income. So why use Pinterest? Well, because it has over 450 million active users, which means you don't have to spend any money on ads. This large user base increases the chances of your content being discovered by people interested in the niche you're promoting, which brings me to step 1. Since the majority of Pinterest users are women, I would recommend focusing on niches that align with their interests and preferences. Consider niches such as lifestyle, fashion, home decor, DIY projects, health and wellness, and beauty products, as these are often popular among Pinterest users. For this tutorial, I have chosen the health and wellness niche. Now on to step 2, which is to find high-converting affiliate products to promote. There are various websites you could go to find products, but a really popular one, and the one which I'm using in this tutorial, is ClickBank. ClickBank has various categories to choose from, which makes things easier. I'm selecting the health and fitness category and then sorting the results from high to low gravity score. The higher the gravity, the more affiliate sales have been made recently. This is proof that people are earning money from these products. Once you find a product, make sure to check out its website and understand the emotion behind the product and why people would buy it. Then click on Promote and add your affiliate nickname and tracking ID if you want. Then generate your hop link. This link is very important, so make sure you don't forget to use it. It's how you will get paid. Now on to step 3, which is to create our Pinterest account. Right now my account is looking pretty bare, so let's head over to Canva to create a banner and a logo, keeping in mind that I chose the health and wellness niche. So first I decided to create a banner using one of the pre-made templates. I quickly went over to ChatGPT to come up with a name for my Pinterest account. Then I completed the banner and added it to my store. Next I worked on the logo using the same font as the banner and once again added it to my store. I also made sure to add a description so that my account looks more put together. Okay, so now we can create our first pin, which is step 4. But before I do that, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Okay, back to the video. I would recommend using an image from the affiliate page as the pin. You can of course make adjustments to it on Canva, for example. This is quite an important step as the image is the first thing people will see, so make sure that it's eye-catching and to the point. Once you are satisfied with how your image looks, you need to come up with a title for your pin. Make sure it's descriptive and not too long. Then complete the description of the product. Make sure to include its best-selling points so that the user is more likely to click on your link. Don't forget to add the relevant tags so people can find your pin more easily. Then finally make sure you add the correct link to your product, and now you can post it. Bonus step 5 is to rinse and repeat this process until you have a good number of products and pins. So now our store is ready, but wait, what if you don't get any sales or pin clicks? If you do manage to get an affiliate commission from following solely the steps so far, then you must either have an established following on Pinterest or be extremely lucky. For the rest of us, here are a few tips you could try to get your first affiliate commission. First tip is to leverage Pinterest boards. This will help you to organize your pins and showcase a variety of products. Each board should clearly align with the interests of your target audience. You could even use other people's pins in your boards to help convince users to click and buy your product. Next tip is to collaborate with other users by joining group boards or participating in niche communities. This can significantly expand the reach of your pins and attract a broader audience interested in your affiliate products. Next tip is consistency. Regularly pinning and updating your boards ensures a steady flow of fresh content, keeping your audience engaged and interested. Consider creating a content calendar to schedule pins strategically and maintain an active presence on the platform. I also want to show that you don't always require a lot of followers to have thousands of people look at your pins. Take a look at this account I found. She has 15 followers in total, but has 74K monthly views. Now, we don't know how much she is making, but we do know that she is at least getting an audience to promote products to. So even if only 1% of the users who view her page buy something every month, that's 740 sales per month, which is amazing. If we look closer at her profile, we can see that she also has a link tree there. This is another excellent way for you to gain more commissions. Literally all her posts have a link to a product she's promoting. Her niche is also well curated for women. Next, you could experiment with different types of content, such as infographics, product collages, and step-by-step guides. You could even utilize Pinterest's story feature and display videos just like the example account I showed you earlier. Diversifying your content keeps your profile interesting and caters to different user preferences. Monitor the performance of various content types to understand what is doing well. My final tip for you is to take advantage of Pinterest analytics to track the performance of your pins. Identify which pins are resonating with your audience and optimize your strategy accordingly. This data-driven approach will help you refine your content and focus on what works best for your affiliate marketing efforts. If all that doesn't work, then maybe you should try a different niche, one which you know very well and are passionate about. Choosing a niche you are genuinely enthusiastic about can make a significant difference in your approach to affiliate marketing. Your passion will naturally shine through in your content, making it more authentic and compelling for your audience. So don't hesitate to switch to a niche that truly excites you. It could be the key to your success in affiliate marketing on Pinterest. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more affiliate marketing content.